My name is not Umberenene, my name is Ogechi Obilono, and I'm a native of Owerri. And I love Owerri people. I love my people so much. So when Sonny Bobo called me, his producer, and told me that they would like me to be the part of the musical video Old School, Skool Mgbochi, I was so happy because I like communicating with my people. I love them so much. So I acted as the wicked woman in the musical video, the bomboy that has no mother, that the mother died. So I acted as a wicked woman. I treated him so bad. I am not wicked though. But I have to do that very well so that the wicked people will turn from their wickedness and know that wickedness doesn't pay.
I am Iman Debisi, an engineer by profession and also a producer. I am very happy to talk about this work, Old School. I ran into Sonny Bobo one time. I went for a program and I was happy to see him perform. He's the best. He's good as far as African music is concerned. And that's why I decided to produce that work titled Old School. I'm very happy about the job, and we just finished the VCD. I encourage you to go out there to have the VCD. It's one of the best VCDs so far. Thank you very much.
Oh, about your Old School. Your Old School emotion. Everybody here. Sonny Bobo. Sonny Bobo. Sonny Bobo. Sonny Bobo. Onyekele Sonny. Onyekele ya. That's what it is. Makola na kuko so yemereme omera libre sawa otu agiri wanyo mama na mama ala sumano awa agiri wani kozo mama na mayamuru otu wa o anyawa ya menna shigo wo mwili wanya hey sawa oh hey Ebuzamu ole gale yone Bobo yo galala yo Hello hey ole kalu boja yo kila message ayu ayo kama sagi muleke yoro yo le toro sigi yoro iga kwasi gido po ma no wa olo da agugu buogu opo nye ba he kaje no wa da miri jodi ke wa fo owo pa na he no wa abombo itola bombo ya kama nije China manu sunu to yeri aje manu yo makibe ya jeri rongola hey ojeri bango ba ojuluku amekati hapo alukwaya oneya umunde chige manu ye mere na ke manu ye mere awanyo mamu aroma no ya pale na moya chaya gali chaya o hey sawa ama kiri mwanya dula ya nasu chano ya chima boya paya wala hey umu ya bona chayo amweti mapa mashi mama meyola mami anata oyoyo mami anata oyoyo mama me yola oh mama me hey Shema boya wele no ya yozo alima ya ya ke tumo ya no wa piano ngao oya oya o awani karola la dabiso aso ora ka patokria hey abamba ya pala nalelu apaya mina mama o gabi no mama no nali moro wa mama mire mama mama me oh mama me chibo motika abamba li aje mana uzo je mi do ni wanu e mani shobi ne ajedu pamu pala ti ma be ma pa ma ne moro mama me chibo hey ana yo shile bona shayo ana hono nga wa ya dubeka ya jo bombo yo nyemere ki mamu onyera mereki ye awanya onya mereki mamu hey o maki bege atala ho ki shop hey abombo ye ko ka bombo ye ye hona kwanya mi mama e kwala ya na jibe gango kana jomase oje na me na wa me ona jinna jebulo je aso munne shigo munne shirike awunne shiparike adon ke wo na rubela no be so is it yalurugi you must care for sure Sani baba ama kere wale wako mebe man na bama no chikere ya nere wanu wa mayo wani mamu tolosoye awujo la mbabi amu ko mali me awujo la mujo ewe hey anewule mama maya awole maya kama mama ni balame anewule mama maya onyeli maya kanenye la mo anewule mama maya awole sara ya kanenye balame anewule mama maya onyeli maya kanenye balamo alese wanyu kuna tiaga Dale sonio, omona. Dale stile, ebasia. Dale stiwa, omona. Oweneke, ebasia. Pristikeni, omona. Alangida, ebasia. Eshembalaga, omona. Sopa. Skool. Perfect kwa. Mele machimanya meweli leguru ikoze anati mwana babite bya lemoni olori chene mono mama le bya lemoni mama diche mama I must obey o wa memu mele machimanya meweli leguru ikoze anati mwana babite bya lemoni olori chene mono mama biale mone mama diche mama hey omona sawa alije mare wanya ga ya duri me mone mama le mama mono wanya boyo wano choma momo mama diche mama na diche biale sawa we me mama no ya kaburu oshishi ya me mama no ya bakulibe ya abakulibe mama dije ruhi papa amaye wa mama shefula mjimwa nale mama dije mama na dije gale hey biale no nele mama liche mama na liche biale hey doctor me welcome get back at your Akabadigwe neje uja koshishi Akabadigwe uja koshishi Ngele Amayu amale mara chepola ule mchibwa Nenemo Mama lije Mama na lije galema Hey sawa Epashia sawa Alije udibia waya wako Nya waya udibia Tionchere mama na liche biale danio Nenemo mama na liche biale Ibe nyembe damu nyeusi Aliche woporobo atanya marana atani oga marana mama na liche biale sanio Neneme mama liche bialo mama na Simbalaga omona sawa ebazia sawa omona hey kawa grupi para umuneji makola na ko so yemeleme omera libre omere noche one day omere noche hey omere noche wakama omere noche Otu wakili wanyo mamara meja bo eringa onyoba China buso eringa paroche yafu amasaya ke bamba o Oina wala fo arani eringa chiribu meringa onyoba Ishibariko Eringa superwoman Oya Abuobi ari tuba Watu biale mi hende beke ngomre Igba kamba Aya limo bodo mwewiwe Ole ba mwanyi geje jani mba Hey, mapro choche mbaho amota samoge bamba Igba kamba Oina wala fo ala ni eri Kiri bumeri onyoba Ishibariko Igba kamba da Onye mbada dola eri Kiri bumeri onyoba Onye abuwa dola eri Kiri bumeri onyoba Oya nagali jani wakama ya na udi loringa Hey, jiri teri geru Apra maya di Maya bojeru Amuchana Ya mayo lo Faina Hey Eriga bamba Eriga bamba Adia kayaba Eriga bamba Adia kayaba Eriga belu baladi ejigamba Eriga le ukese kwelo Eriga bamba adia kayamba Eriga belu baladi ejigamba Eriga le apafete kwelo Eriga bamba adia kayamba perfectly sort Sakoma Olebalo makadure pako Omona Barangida Ebazia Isimbalaga Omona Barangida Ebazia Anyika balaga Omona Sabredo no hale Ochiri Omona Ochiri Ebazia Barangida Omona Isimbalaga Ebazia Lele sanio Omona Skool. Iwe nyente. Hey. Pata wanya wele. Kuropo. Inaranja. Joya moja anja. Sawa. ndama Ani saya mrege Elaka ni jatu kaka masaka Ani kablaga blaga Ani kablaga blaga Sali baba Ichara la mdamu buo Ishaga chara la mdamu buo Riso nyemchina meku Tanzele, wafumo yimo, awambari emeleki, gamara mara chomamo. Hey, echawala medamu, echakasawala medamu, rinso nyachina meko. Awambari emeleki. Kamara mara chomamo Ojoli kebwale Ojoli kebwale Akwicho nyukafu anoyo Hey Awamari ebelekie Kamara mara chomamo Chora la medamu Ani kablaga blaga ala beke chora la medamu Biso de china meku Hey Sunny Sama Udabweni Awumbari emeleki Kamara mara chomamo Choma 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 Hey chora la chora la Hey Echolame, hey, echolame, hey, echakacholame damu riso nyachina meku, hey, sawa, abinani emelaki, kamara mara chomamo, emi thanks, alaba, hey, old school, What Rocha? You would children. I go be Ibrahim. Check 5,000. Hey, try me out. Old school. How about you? What Rocha? Find a bunch. I go umbre. Minus, oh wanna minus, una se palo wakulo minus, elo wanna yapa mama to ye boso wakula minus, oh wanna minus, una se palo wakulo minus, elo wanna yari manu ye boso wakula minus, oh wanna minus, una boso wakula minus, elo wanna minus. Seri mere Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Ahuna ye seri mere Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Aseri bulu Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Ahuna ye seri mere Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Amapale mwere mame nyancho. Ojinji.
Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Mame nyancho.
Ojinji.
Mami watabara.
Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Onu ya manu angu.
Ojinji. Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Imi ya kujele kuzoro.
Ojinji.
Mami watabara.
Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Hey, omelu ogologo.
Ojinji. Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Ara ya yiri koso.
Ojinji. Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Uku ya rege.
Ojinji.
Mami watabara.
Ọbara wura ko jinji.
Uku ya rege.
Ojinji.
Mami watabara.
Ọbara wura ko
Hey, agoma pepa ye bosu wakula.
minus. Wana akwakuo minus.
Oja se palo wakulo.
Minus. Elo wana akwakuo.
Yapa mama to ye bosu wakula.
Minus. Wana akwakuo minus.
Oja se palo wakulo.
Minus. Elo wana akwakuo.
Yara manu ye bosu wakula.
Minus. Wana akwakuo minus.
Oja se palo wakulo.
Minus. Elo wana akwakuo minus.
Seri mere Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Ahuna ye seri mere Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Aseri bulu Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Ahuna ye seri mere Bobo.
Ekwala ye seri mere Bobo.
Chiki pom pom, chiki pom pom, chiki. Olelewe.
Chiki chiki bum bum, chiki chiki bum bum, chiki chiki.
Na ikuka sapa.
Chiki chiki bum bum, chiki chiki bum bum, chiki chiki.
Old school.
Chiki chiki bum bum, chiki chiki bum bum, chiki chiki.
Baba baisha bobrocha. Final. Baisha. Old school. Onyekele Sunny.
Onyekele ya.
Baba baisha bobrocha. Iwo ba kweri. Eba fonu linde mrangu. Onweta ihe n'ụlọ ụwa. Iji adọgbugo onwe gị. Hey! Ọba koyeri.
Emekwala bọnụrụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ.
Ọba koyeri.
Emekwala bọnụrụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ.
Umi alma. Onye suga weji ihe. Ya ghara mmanụ
Ndị ọzọ kpara ihe. Go inside.
Welcome to Wingate House Hotel Limited. Feel and enjoy the cleanliness, beauty, elegance, hospitality and comfort of Wingate Hotel Limited. Wingate House Hotel Limited. Totality in hospitality.
Old School by Sonny Bobo is a very creative job. It's one job that was really challenging, and I look at Sonny Bobo as a very good performer, and it's more difficult sometimes to copy people and try to bring their jobs so that you can make it better. But I think overall Sonny Bobo did a very good job, and Imna Ndubisi, who is the producer and who also convinced Sonny to partake in that job and present it the way it was, is a wonderful producer. He's very versatile, does a lot of things, and I think everything about the Old School was wonderful in the audio, and having such a beautiful audio, you are challenged to do a good job on the video, and that is what we try to do on set. I was very happy on set because I had people who were professionals and did what was the best for the situation. The makeup was fantastic, the costume was beautiful, locations were African. We wanted to have an African concept in the interpretation, and the DOP was quite flexible and was listening to instructions and had his own DOP's mind. They always have their minds. So I think overall we did our best, and all you can just help us do is pick a copy of this and try to encourage the artist and the producer, and I'm sure you won't regret picking a copy of Old School VCD from the shelves. Benema is my name, and I like music very much. I'm also a singer, a musician, and I think all I can say is the best is yet to come. We will just try to give you the best always. I have a slogan: creativity is divine, and when I get on set, I know God is always there to help me get the best. Old School is one of the things I think you will enjoy watching.
I think they are good. They are good. The choreographed work which we witnessed, they are all wonderful. Even the people that dance solo, they did a very wonderful dance. In fact, I was amazed. I was startled when these people started dancing. And being the person handling the camera, man, I view picture. I saw a lot of things, and I try to make sure I bring them to your screen so that you enjoy and see how it is done. And I think they did it well. And you bear me witness, they really tried. They danced it to your taste.
The music is self-sold, so I still believe the VCD going to do more better than the audio, because we use natural background, the directing work, school. You still talk about the makeup, so it's going to be a hit.
First of all, Ima Ndubisi, as I know him, is an organ to me. Because among the people that trained me in this job, and he's a colleague, a very close one. It's like another brother to me. Because sometimes when I have some little problems, I do go to him for advice and help, and he's always there to help me. So that is the little I can say for Ima Ndubisi.
My name is Andy Brown. Actually, I was attracted to this Sonny Bobo music because of the concept. It's a very nice work. If you watch the VCD, you know it's a tedious work. But we thank God that we'll be able to go through.
Like him respect so much. Him respect. And only for anything.
Blessing Chigozie Pascal Sonny Bobo Okonna maka ihe niile o na-enyere aka o nyere n'ihe a ewetu nkwado ya achọrọ m n'ihe a ga-enwechi ekelera m ya kelekwa injinia m Emmanuel DBC o reality productions ekelela m na ndị niile nyere na m aka iche iche Emmanuel ọgụ honorable chairman ndị ngọgbala local government area ọnwa akụkụ ekelela m ndị niile bụ ụlọ m na-anọ na aga m akpọchafụ niile na beta azụ Chineke gọzie m niile n'aha Jizọs o webe aja akpọcha final
Omona Ebazia Ewe kweti kwati chawa wa mano Chie uwa dunem Chie izu kamanu munejiyo Chie izu kanumana neji Papa jamanu nunkwaji na mana Daddy majelule mahonu wa maya nina Shobya dola Yeje na numi nkwaji na ma Yeje mana numo Elele monyo wa maya nina Shobya dola Yeje na numi nkwaji na ma Yeje mana numo Elele monyo wa maya nina Shobya dola no man